I'm from Omuda, here in Umuagwo. This is Okonta, my brother. This is Richard, my son. There is a saying in our place that whenever a child is crying and pointing at a particular direction, it is either his or her parents are there, or something of his interest is there.
That's right.
So my son Richard found a ripe fruit within your domain. And it is that ripe fruit that we are here to pluck. In other words, Richard, my son, is interested in marrying your daughter. Jolie. Jolie. So, and these items too here are part of our mission. We greet you, Ojigo.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I greet you all again. Yes, it is a good thing that your son saw his missing rib in my home. But they say a wise fish who sees a beautiful bait that is easy to swallow knows that a sharp hook is attached to it. My daughters are treasures to me. So any man who wants to marry any of them has to see them as such. My son, you say you want to marry my daughter.
Yes, Chief.
How much do you have in your account?
Chief, I have enough to start and run a family.
Yes.
Do you have a domiciliary account?
Domiciliary account?
No, not domiciliary. Domiciliary account.
You have one?
Well, Chief, I don't think I know what that means, sir.
So you don't have dollar account?
These questions about dollars account, bank account and all that, I don't understand. My son has indicated interest in marrying your daughter. And that is why we are here, of course. He has also assured us that he is capable, financially and otherwise, as a man. He is, at least he has enough to start up life.
That question is very important. Because no man can subject my daughters to poverty. From what I can see, your son is incapable. I mean, and I say incapable of marrying my daughter.
Biko, Chief Ojigo, Biko, with all due respect, you cannot say that. I know our son Richard. I can vouch for him. He has said he is capable of taking care of you. He has the money to take care of your daughters. Give him a trial.
If he has money, how come he doesn't know anything about domiciliary accounts? In fact, I want all of you now to leave my house. This minute. Leave my house now. Please leave my house. Leave my house. I said leave my house now. Please, take your drinks and leave my house. Leave my house.
Okay, let's go. Let us go.
And take your drinks.
We don't need the drinks.
Leave my house. Go! You want to reap where you did not sow, huh? Just because you heard that Ojigo's daughters are well schooled, you want to go and pitch your tent there, huh? How can? Move when was
Chief, can't we?
Move into your gongoro, this old gongoro. There. Move, go inside and leave my compound. You illiterate, you don't even know what is domiciliary account and you want to marry my daughter. Move your gongoro from here. Go, enter your motor and go. Enter this secretary something that they do 40,000, say more, 30,000 even. Huh? Ndana pop. And you, Jolie, You, Jolie, upon what I've invested in you, you cannot even attract a bank manager. Come on, bank manager. Oh, bro, indi mi awuna kena what I'm no. Hi. Imakuife. Hi. Abeki tobo bori. Why? Do kwa yodo fuma. Do nwa yodo. Do kwa yodo.
Ojigo, take it easy.
Take what easy? Take what easy?
Special love, special love. Ifunanya, Ifunanya mo. Ifunanya nka kariri ego. Ifunanya nka kariri ego.
Okay, I don't have a problem, but let me have it with myself.
Okay.
So how do I look? I am the princess of the
What are you feeling like? It's my flower.
It's not yours, it's mine.
You said you got it for me.
No, don't say that. It's mine. It's mine. Let me have the flower. Give it to me.
Ojigo, for how long will you continue to destroy the lives of our daughters just because you want them to marry rich men?
I am surprised at you. Did you marry me as a poor man? Look, I was the richest in the whole community. And that was what attracted you to me. Why don't you want your girls to have the same?
That was not the attraction.
Oh, women and their lies. Did you not see poor men then? Why didn't you marry any of them? If you really did not care about my money.
Ojigo, please, let these children be.
I will not.
Let them be.
I will not.
Daddy, good afternoon.
You stupid boy. Have I not warned you to stay away from my daughter?
Daddy,
Have I not warned you?
Daddy, stop.
Come on. Why don't you girls be reasonable? Why are you so much in love with poverty? Huh?
What is this? Just let these children be.
I will not let them be.
Every time money.
Of course, money.
You don't even care about love.
What is love? Geniable love.
Every time money.
Geniable love.
Life is not all about
love.
I don't know. I have never been involved in a mission, a shameful mission such as this. But I warned you, Richard. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. I warned you that going to Ojigo's house for a wife was a wrong idea. It was a very bad idea. I warned you, but you were too stiff-necked that you wouldn't listen to me.
Biko, calm down, Biko.
Can you imagine the embarrassment? Just imagine.
Richard. There are a lot of beautiful girls in this community who would readily accept your offer because you're a fine boy. Why this particular girl? Why Jolie? Biko?
Uncle. It's because I love her so much.
Yeah. Love. Because you love her so much. You love her so much. You are still talking, Richard. You love her so much. Now, have you seen where the love you have for a greedy man's daughter landed us? Have you seen it, Richard? You love her so much.
Papa, please, calm down your mind. Papa, because wait till we begin. Oh, Uncle, you see, I love her so much and I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
You are still talking. You love her so much. Now tell me, Richard, how are you going to achieve that? How is it going to be possible when it is obvious that Ojigo wants people that live in openness? Can you do this? One name, we pay there. You know go, we pay there.
Do you know how I make my money? The next time you challenge me to a fight again, I will shoot straight. The next time you challenge me to a fight, I will kill your ass.
Hey, ogini kamera nwa. You be saying so to. Oh, one cake kwani. Hey, Ojigo, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Keep your greetings to yourself. Because I'm not in the mood for that.
Nani, what is the problem?
The problem is the one your son is created for me.
Hey, Nani, my son?
Yes.
What has he done?
Let him stay away from my daughter if he doesn't want his finger burnt. If it is this beast that you fed him with that gives him the audacity to go after my daughter, you should stop feeding him with it. Alright? Because I will not warn him again.
Hey, Nani, they are just children. Now you try to understand. Get no him medicated no na, eh? Get no him medicated no na. Kid will not kill me in this household.
Welcome, my love.
Thank you very much, my heart.
Please sit.
Thank you.
So how are you feeling?
Well, it doesn't matter how I have been feeling. Now that I have seen you, I am fine. Yeah. And how are you?
I'm good. I'm great.
Well, I brought you food.
The aroma is
Oh,
I've been perceiving this all along.
Start. Woo! Are you singing?
Who don't sing?
Okay, just help me hold this thing. Here. Or you want me to feed you?
Of course, of course.
Why are you always acting like a child?
Whenever I'm around you, I become a baby. Go ahead.
Why don't you want to eat?
Please, don't do this with this kind of food.
Okay, open your mouth.
What is
it
now?
I'm sorry, don't mind me. You like it?
If as my girlfriend your food tastes this good,
Only God knows what you prepare for me when you become.
Oh, please don't even start. Let me give you some more.
Hey, look at them. Here she is.
Mama, good afternoon.
Mirabel, what are you doing here? I am asking you, what are you doing here?
Hey!
Will your father ever believe that you are the one deceiving my son?
Mama, what has come over you?
Everything.
What has come over you? This is Mirabel you're talking to, remember?
Of course I know it's Mirabel. The almighty Mirabel.
You do not have any right to embarrass her like this.
I have. I have, because that is what her father wants. Her father came to me a while ago. He asked me to warn you to stay away from his daughter.
He did?
Yes, he did, Ikedi. He did. Yes, he did.
Wait, Mirabel.
Papa, stay away from her. She's evil. Her father is evil.
But she's not the same as her father.
Come back here. Mind your business and stay away from Mirabel.
Mama, you cannot be telling me this when you know, eh?
Stay away from her.
Me now, I'm going on a public.
Oh yeah. Na mgbede taa ọ bụkwa ọtụtụ echi o. Mgbede taa. Yes. Ọ dị mma.
Father, why are you doing this to me? Why are you embarrassing me? Why did you have to warn Ikedi's mother?
Is that how to greet your father? Is it because of that riffraff that you don't know how to respect your father anymore?
Dad, please stop playing the victim here. You are the one humiliating me and making me feel like I don't even know what I want or what I am doing. What have I done to you, Father?
Of course you don't know. You don't know. If you could settle for that redundant and bankrupt, foolish poor boy, huh? Then obviously you don't know what is good for you. That is where I come in as your father. In your life, I am to ensure that you do not regret your tomorrow by marrying a poor church rat.
Dad, just leave him alone. I'm the one with him, not you. Just leave him alone, please.
Leave him alone. Nanu call the Kambweko Bogonogo.
Hey jibi, iyaka, hi yaba, iyaka, nekwo Ojigo. Hey jibi, Ojigo, one is one.
You refuse to eat. It took me time and money to prepare it.
So you want the money back?
What is wrong with you, son?
What is wrong with you, mother? How could you join Ojigo to insult myself and my baby?
Son, as a caring mother that I am, it is my duty to protect my only son. We all know Ojigo. He has a reputation of destroying his enemies. And I don't want you to give him a reason to do that to you.
Mother.
Son?
So because he threatened you, you now decided to humiliate a girl you have always loved and adored?
Kidi, you are my son. And I love you so much. It will hurt me so much if anything happens to you because of a girl. Please try to understand my son, please. I am doing this because of you. I love you.
I'm off to the shop.
Get it.
How are you, my daughter? You're forgetting me, oh. Eh? Since after your wedding, you people just eloped.
Oh, no, Daddy. I never said that. Of course, you know I won't forget about you. It's just that we'll be very, very, very busy. But don't worry. It's not happening again, I promise you.
I even called several times. But I asked him to give me some money to invest in my poultry, but he refused.
Really?
Yes.
When did you ask him for money?
About a week ago.
How much?
1.5 million naira. Only, oh. Eh? Just 1.5 million naira.
I wasn't aware of it. But don't worry. I'll talk to him, and I promise you he will give you the money.
That's my daughter. I know you will always make your daddy proud. Eh?
Of course I will. Please, extend my regards to everyone at home.
Yes. All right.
Okay, Daddy. Bye.
Bye.
Ojigo get it connect, come adoption. Chai, obodo no go mebe. So therefore, thereby, you go to begi beyo. Aye. So thereby, therefore, connect you back connect beyo. Chai, makoda otherwise you, ogada kwogo. Makoda otherwise you, ose mebe. Makoda otherwise you, ogada kwogo. Makoda otherwise.
Mirabel! Mirabel, my daughter. How are you, my daughter? I'm fine. Mirabel, I am so sorry for my behavior towards you the other day. Please forgive me. It was not intentional. It's all because of your father. You know your father too well. He is a very mean man. I don't want him to harm my only son. Please try to understand with me. I love both of you. I am happy that both of you are in love. In fact, it reminds me of how I was in love with my husband before he passed away. And I still love him to date. I hope you understand with me, please.
Mama, seriously, I am not angry with you. It's okay. I think every concerned mother will do what you did. But I can assure you, Mama, that my father cannot separate me from Ikedi. He cannot kill the love I have for him. But I think with time he will let us be.
Hi, Isibomwa. The good Lord bless you. You see why I love you. You see why I talk of you all the time. I love you so much, my daughter. Thank you very much for your understanding.
It's okay, Mama. What's the problem, Mama?
My daughter, I want you to talk to Ikedi. I want you to help me explain to him that we have reconciled. So that he can eat. So that he can take something, my daughter. For the past 2 days, my son has refused to eat. He has refused to touch anything. And it's not good for his health. He is all I have. I don't want anything to happen to him.
Mama, it's okay. I will talk to him. I will tell him that we have reconciled. I will.
Oh, thank you very much, my daughter. Thank you very much. May God bless you. May God bless you for me. Bless you.
It's okay, Mama.
Where are you going to?
My mother actually sent me somewhere.
Thank you. What did you say you want?
Cigar. 2 sticks of the rest.
Okay.
Why did you stop eating Mama's food?
I can see you've been talking with her.
My love, she doesn't deserve such punishment. If anyone does, it should be my father, not your mother.
I know.
Don't do that again.
Yes, ma.
I am not joking.
I know!
I brought you some food.
Today's gonna be a good day.
So have you had something today?
No, I've not had anything today.
Okay. You like food.
I don't joke with food.
You like eating.
Of course. Please, I love you.
No, you should take it easy. You're becoming too big. I hope you know that.
I don't care. I can eat your food morning and night.
What are you doing with this poor boy?
Nothing.
Huh? What have you done to my daughter?
Nothing, sir.
And why is she feeding you publicly?
No, it's our church drama.
Church meeting. Huh? Wait. Is this food flask not from my kitchen?
No, sir. It's a look-alike.
Yes, it is from my wife's kitchen. So, Mirabel, this is what you do, huh?
Papa, no.
It's not even enough that he cannot take care of you and marry you. Huh? But you feed him with my own food. Okay. Make sure you bring this back home, huh?
Papa, this is not fair now. This is not fair now. Why would you do this kind of thing? This is not fair. Can you promise on me? This is not fair. Why would you do this? This is not fair now.
Jai, Makoda, otherwise you. Ogada walk. Makoda, otherwise you. Ose mebe. Makoda, otherwise you. Ogada walk. Makoda, otherwise you. The walk, ose mebe. Ojigo one is one. Neko Ojigo International. Ojigo International.
What happened? Why are you like this?
Nothing, Mama.
Mama, it's not true. It's not true. My father came to his shop today and the little food I brought to him, he just smeared everything on his clothes.
What? Hey! What is wrong with you? What did I do this to you? I have warned you. But you won't listen. Leave his daughter alone. Why is it difficult for you to do? Look at you.
Mama, it's not his
Just look at you. Look at your body.
Mama,
You're not here. You will not here. Look at your clothes. Look at your clothes. You will not be in your head. You will not be.
Arrest him.
Come here.
Arrest him.
You're under arrest.
Arrest who?
Huh?
You're under arrest.
Hey, what are you talking about? What did I do?
You're under arrest.
What for? What has he done?
Take him away.
What did I do? Mama, I did not take anything. What did I not do anything? What did I do to you, Diego? Mama, what have I done to them?
Hey jibi, iyaka, hey yaba, iyaka. Neko Ojigo Hey, Jibby, 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 Jibby. Ojigo one is you one. Ojigo one is you one. Ojigo international. Ojigo intellectual. Ojigo. Oh, Ojigo. Ojigo jikwa the cashier. Ojigo jikwa no the money. Obolo nke kone, awakwalu kone. Abiazie na action, awakwalu action. Gentleman, manojirege egwu. Opichasi afu onwe ya, odizi aka bobo. Ije ya niile mbolo, ijikwa ego wee bịa. Ojigo, Ojigo one is one.
What has that young man done to you that you did that thing to him? You did it because you feel you have the money, right?
I have not even started. I say I have not even started. By the time he spends 1 week in that home, he will learn to stay away from my business.
Ha! Have you no conscience? Eh? Have you even thought about our daughter's feelings?
Her feelings are totally immaterial.
Really?
Totally immaterial.
Ojigo, you are just lucky we are here. If we were in a modern society, you should have been in jail by now. Because our daughter has a freedom of association.
In Ayala. As in Ayala. If he were in a modern society, I will sue him. I will sue him for yes.
Ojigo, just be careful. Be very careful. Wicked man. No. You are just too heartless. You're wicked. Because you think you have money?
Yes, sir. I have money. Oya keja bom Ojigo 1. Ojigo 1 and 1 plus 1.
No problem. Just go ahead. Do whatever you want. You're too heartless for my life.
Ejim heart making.
Ojigo get it connect. Getting alienation. Obodo no kone me. Ojigo get it connect. Con adoption. Chai. Obodo no kone me.
Why are you here crying because of one stupid love like that? Huh?
See, you better listen to Dadu and save yourself from all this trauma.
Are you mad? Eh? Jolly, what gave you the impetus to talk to me in that manner?
With all due respect, Sister Mirabel, Dad only wants the best for us. Okay, wait. Look at Amanda. Amanda is now living in affluence. That should be commended and not apprehended. See, a woman needs a man that can take very good care of her. Not an Indomie seller or sugar or milk. Biscuits, cabin for that matter. So, the earlier you listen to Dad, the better for you. If you like, don't like,
get out.
I said get out! Okay, cry yourself to them.
do you mean I can't see him?
That is the order, miss.
Okay, can I at least give him the food?
There is also an instruction not to give him food.
Whose order is that? I want to see him.
No way, you can't see him.
Aga m ekwelu na nwunye m bụ asa jeghọrọ ụbalụsi. Aga m ejizi na nwunye m bụ asa jee mebezie mpụ. Ije ụwa mmadụ asịkwara na m si jee meke ya ofu. Mmadụ ejikwana maka m kwuru jee meke ya ofu.
Daddy, good evening.
Daddy, did you ask the officers not to allow food get to EKD?
Huh? Women are so predictable. Yes, I did.
Why?
Because I know you'll be so foolish to take my food to him.
Daddy, this is inhuman. What has this poor boy done to you? What has he done to you, Daddy? Why are you doing this to him now? Eh?
Ojigo, if you actually did that, that was very wicked of you. I mean, what did Ikedi do to you? What has it done to deserve that kind of treatment?
Stella, do you know how much I spent on their education? Huh? I bet you don't know. Or do you want to pay me back the money?
So, this is it, right?
I am an investor. I invested so much in making this woman what she is today. And any man who wants to marry you must be capable of paying me back the money. And with interest.
Ha! What kind of a father are you?
Please, I beg you, in the name of God, please. Please release my son, oh. Please release my son to me, oh. Release my son, he's all I have, Daddy. Hey, Chimo.
I came to you and warned you to put a leash on that your randy son, but you won't listen.
Please, he will do it. This time around, he's not going to. He will not do it again. He will not do it again.
Too late.
He will not do it again.
It is too late.
I beg you, he will not do it again.
It is too late. Huh? Let him get the punishment for flouting my orders. Happen.
Just calm down. I know. I'll talk to you.
Please, I beg you, open the door for me. It's all I have. It's all I have. Hey.
I'll talk to him,
Okay.
It's okay. I'll talk.
What is the problem? Stand up and tell me why you are crying. Get up. Stand up. What's the problem?
It's Ojigo.
Ojigo?
Yes, Ojigo paid me a visit. Ojigo paid me a visit. He took away my son, arrested him and detained him, and threw the keys away, Daddy.
Why? Did your son steal from him?
No, not at all. He didn't steal anything from him.
So what happened? Tell me.
Just that my son went after his daughter. That is all, Nani.
That's all?
Yes, Nani.
Hey! Ojigo. Sometimes money intoxicates. That's what I know. But look, woman, calm down. Calm down, woman, calm down. Now listen, I will see to the end of this matter.
I beg you, please.
I will see to the root of the matter, so stop crying. I will make sure he is released to you. Do you hear me? So stop crying and go back to your house.
Nanya, I should go.
Go!
Nanya, no, now. Nanya, let's go. Let's go so that he will.
I am telling you to go. Stop crying. It's all right.
Come and talk to him so that he will release my son.
I have said this before, and for the uptil time, I don't want your father discussed in this house.
Why? What has my father done to you?
I am the Lord of this family. And my word is law. In and around this house. Get that into your head, Amanda.
What about the money?
What stupid money?
The 1.5 million my father asked you for his poultry business.
Amanda, are you daft? I mean, are you daft or what? If your father wants money, he should go work for his money. I don't owe him a dime. After all, he actually sold you to me.
What? How dare you say that to me?
Yes, he sold you to me. I'm going to tell him that I don't owe him a dime. Tommy.
Ojigo. You must release that boy.
I will not do such thing.
Why?
Because he deserves to languish there. He has defiled my daughter.
Ojigo, don't say a thing like that. Don't lay such accusation on that boy. Eh? Your daughter is no longer a teenager. Ike and Mirabel, they have not contravened the law of the land by the association.
You are quoting a useless law because it's not your daughter involved.
Ojigo, I have made my point clear. Very clear. And I cannot swallow my word. As the Onowu of this community, you must bring that boy out. You must release him. Or you face a heavy sanction from the Council of Elders.
Bam.
I know you wouldn't want it that way. Better release him to free yourself. Yes!
Look at you. Look at what you have caused for yourself. If you had listened to me, this wouldn't have happened.
Ah, Mama, easy now. Eh, Mama, this is somebody's body. Oh.
Look at what they have done to you. What was this man? He wanted to kill you. It's okay, let me do it so that you can go. Go on time.
This is somebody's body now.
Please forgive me, I'm sorry. Mama, please let me help you with that. Please.
Take a look at my son. Does he look nice to you?
I'm sorry.
Look at what your father has done to my only son. Is he good?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I knew if you had your way, I would not sleep in that cell.
Let me press this for you one more time.
Just take it easy. This hurts.
I know. Sorry. Look at what he did to you. Look at your face. Sorry.
Honey? Honey, please get up. Please get up, okay? I didn't realize the day is fast spent. Please, you have to start going home before they start searching for you.
Oh. Baby, I don't want to go home.
Why?
I want to spend the night with you.
Much as I would want that too, I wouldn't want your father to descend on me. You know him very well. Please, I believe someday very soon we'll get married and nobody can separate us. But for now, in our interest, you have to go. Pico, just get up, let me walk you home. I'll take you all the way.
Special love, special love. Oh, Ifunanya, Ifunanya mo.
Ifunanya nka kariri ego. Ifunanya.
Daddy, I want to talk to you about something.
Let's go on.
I intend traveling to the city.
To do what?
In search of a job. Daddy, I'm wasting in this village. I need to do something.
Who are you going to stay with when you go to the city?
I'll stay alone.
That is the height of irresponsibility, Mirabel. Huh? A girl does not leave her father's house to go and live alone, except she's in school. If you go to the city now to get a job, definitely you have to live alone. And if you stay alone, you will not command respect. Every unmarried woman should stay with her parents, such that men will see her as a responsible girl and ask for her hand in marriage. My answer to your request is a capital no. Mba.
Father, I need a job. I need to get a job. I can't keep staying here.
If you need a job, I have one for you ready.
Where?
In my poultry.
Oh.
Come and join me and take that poultry to the next level. Look, agro-business is a very lucrative business, my dear.
You're just so unbelievable.
I've been meaning to tell you this.
And what is it?
The way you've been going about the affairs of your daughters is not right.
Wakwe, you are my friend. And I don't want to make you my enemy. Because if I do, you will not like it.
But I'm telling you the truth. Don't you think you are scaring away potential suitors?
I'm not scaring away potential suitors. I am scaring away poor men. I have spent a fortune in training my daughters. And it will be an abomination for me to give them out to poor men.
But man is not determined by the size of his pocket.
But by what? By what? By the size of his scrotum? Look, my daughters are not for poor men.
What?
But for men with fat, massive bank accounts. End of discussion. Do you want more drinks or do you want to continue with this argument? You will never win.
Ojigo get to connect, getting alienation. Oboda no kone me. Ojigo get to connect, come adoption.
You mean Ojigo did all these things to you? And he has the got to walk about feeling.
What can I do, my brother? He has money.
What money? What money? How much? People who have money do not stay in the village and molest and oppress the poor ones. In fact,
Ojigo's impunity is getting out of hands and must be dealt with.
How? Chukwuka, Ojigo is not my problem. The system is. This is 10 years since after service. I am yet to find a job. If I had money, Ojigo would not have the temerity to insult me the way he does. I need a job. I need to get out of this village. That is my problem.
I wish I was there. I wish... Not never!
You would not have done anything.
I wish I was there. Huh?
Sorry. What do you want?
Do you have a big milk with a sachet?
Yes.
Okay, give me one.
Each.
No, but wait. Uche, that was very silly of you. I mean, how could you do a thing like that?
That's how you do.
No, seriously, if I were in her shoes, I wouldn't take that rubbish. I wouldn't take it.
What choice has she? And some dude like me. I changed that for her.
Uche. Wait. No, tell me, what are you?
Everything.
Daddy, why are you hitting him now?
Uncle.
It's you, Chenna.
It's me, Uncle.
Oh, so sorry. So I didn't know it was you sitting close to Mirabel. I thought it was one of these village loafers. Sorry, So sorry. When did you come in?
I came in a while ago. I came to greet you, but you are sleeping. I decided not to disturb you.
Okay, it's all right. High school.
School is fine, Uncle.
Okay, it's good. You can continue with your conversation. So sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Sorry. I hope you didn't. Sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. Sit down, let me press it for you. Sorry.
It's very painful.
Sorry now. Sorry.
No, leave it.
What is all this? What is all this? What is wrong with Ojigo? Has Ojigo gone mad? How could he have done this to you? Like you are one of those boys running after his daughters.
Uncle is paranoid and he needs to watch it. Dad, you have to talk to him before he gets himself into trouble. How could he be so blinded by his quest for material things that he couldn't differentiate his nephew and those boys running after my cousins? He needs to watch it too.
What have I not said to dissuade him from his vain pursuit? But he wouldn't listen. He has always been an overambitious man, even when we were kids. At first, I thought he will eventually outgrow it. But my thought was wrong. I hope he did not injure you so much.
Not too much, just the pain.
Oh, sorry, my dear. Sorry. Ojigo. What is actually wrong with him?
You have to talk to him. Talk to him. Talk to him. See fine girls. Wow. What of Paul now? Paul there. Wow. Beautiful girls, pin up babies. Man, I would like to have one of them. Just one.
No, just go there.
Maka, why now? Maka, why?
You see those girls? They are untouchable. Hey. They are not for poor guys like us.
See me, Romeo. As far as I'm concerned, no woman is untouchable. Every woman has a price tag, I swear.
We are saying the same thing. They are untouchable. So shelve your lofty ambition and go for your class.
Wetin dey worry you? So as you look me finish, me Romeo, I not be like who dey SS3 abi?
You know.
Hi! You dey fear woman, I must get that girl. Hi! You see that one? Eh? Package.
No problem. Come on, your eye. Come on, where could they go?
You dey fear girl.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? I think you know how to roll your mouth. Amanda, come and run your mouth some more. Listen, I don't care if you're dead after I paid for your bride price. I paid for it!
My children, I am not a wicked father, but in actuality, a loving father. A father who cares about his children. I have seen what poverty can do to women. So I have vowed that my daughters must enjoy affluence from the men they must marry. The example is there for us to see. Your sister, Chimamanda, is that living example. She enjoys everything life has to offer. She lives in a mansion. She has cars. Her husband loves and adores her. Just name it. All these things were made possible because she hearkens to my wife's counsel. So, what did you do to him?
Daddy, I did nothing to him. He gets angry at the slightest provocation. Sometimes, unprovoked.
Are you sure Christopher did this to you? Because I know him very well.
You know who very well? How well do you think you know him? When you're blinded by his wealth. Daddy, I'm not going to marry him anymore.
Oh, no. Don't say that. It has not come to that. Huh?
That's the result of arranged marriage. They always end up in chaos.
You shut up there. Shut up. Look at her mouth. Instead of you to sympathize with her sister, you are there gloating over her. Don't worry, huh? I will see him, and I'll make sure I settle the matter. Don't give up on him, huh? Christopher is very important to this family. So just relax. Relax. Relax.
Makoda otherwise you oga da kwogo Makoda otherwise you osemebe.
You are a very stupid boy. Do you know who I am? Huh? I can feed you and your entire generation. Let me. Nonsense. I will make sure you lose this job. Nonsense. do you think you are doing? What does it look like? So, it is because of this that you beat your wife out of the house? Because of this prostitute? Huh? Let me remind you, Mr. Whatever you call it, in-law, what? This is my house, and it's my life. So I'm so free to choose how I live my life. Why are you here? This is my daughter's house, so I can come here. I'm free to come here anytime. Did I hear you right? Yes. This is my house, and I bought your daughter from you. So I paid you off. Why are you still pestering me? I mean, how dare you barge into my house like that? I want this prostitute out here before I say a word.
Excuse me, sir. I won't have you call me names, mister.
It's okay, sweetie. Come here. It's not your fight, okay? Just go upstairs to the bedroom and wait for me. I'll join you soon. What? In your matrimonial bed? So you don't have respect for your marriage? I'm sure you like what you're seeing. I'm all ears. Why are you here?
Mama, I have suffered in the name of marriage. You know, there is nothing a good and caring woman will possibly do for her husband that I haven't done for Chris. Yet, he beats me up at every slight opportunity.
Why?
I don't know. He gets angry each time I talk about my family. And I ask, if you hate my family this much, why didn't you come to marry me? You see, Mama, all that glitters is not gold. Yes, I drive big cars, but a woman who treks is a lot better than myself. I just had to come back before you return my cups to you people.
God forbid. Ha! You see, I've always been against that union, but no one listened to me. Your father called me all manner of names. I will not let you continue with that marriage. I cannot allow you to be subjected to such domestic violence. No.
Thank you, Mom.
Such a handsome man.
With the heart of a beast.
You actually traveled all the way from the village to come and ask me why I keep beating your daughter and why I haven't been supporting you guys financially. Yes. Now, let me ask you, dear father-in-law, did you actually marry your daughter out to me or you sold her to me?
I don't understand. How can I sell out my daughter to you? You married her according to tradition.
Then you're wrong. Tradition. Talk about tradition. Now let me ask you, is it traditional for you to collect 2 million naira? 2 million for your daughter's bride price? And was it also traditional for you to hike and triple every item required for your daughter's dowry? Chief Ojigo, after ripping me off, you have the balls, the effrontery to come to my house and demand for more money. Are you not a thief? I will not have you refer to a titled man like me as a thief. Don't insult me, Christopher. Do you want me to be scared of you now? Or else what?
How dare you hit me? Now get up and leave my house. Get up and leave my house. Chief! Chief Ojigo. Chief Ojigo. Chief. In-law. Oh, come on, man. My in-law. Come on, my in-law, please. Don't do this. It's your favorite in-law. It's your favorite son-in-law. Come on, don't do this. Please.
What?
How are you? I would like to have a word with you.
About what? Okay. I get it. Okay? You want to tell me, oh my God, you're so beautiful. And I would like to have your number. And then the next thing is, I want to have sex with you. Is that not what you want to tell me? Well, I guess I've saved you the stress.
Julie,
You needed to be there to see what that jolly girl did to me today.
What did she do to you?
She so embarrassed me, and above all, she crowned it with a heavy slap on my face.
Jeez, that was harsh. But I warned you. I warned you to stay away from that girl. You wouldn't listen.
Ebuka, if not for one thing, I would have beaten that girl to death.
I know you wouldn't have tried that. Ojigo would have descended on you.
Mua, listen, she cannot slap a man and get away with it. Irrespective of her father's position, she cannot.
Yeah. Right, she cannot.
Father-in-law. Here you go. Sorry. And I want to officially apologize for losing my temper on you. Sorry. I'm truly sorry. Thank you.
Billy. It's your boy Easy. Yeah.
Excuse me. Why? What? Are you serious? How long have I got? Open the gate! Open the gate! What's this stupid boy? Open the goddamn gate! Who are you? And why are you here?
Sir, we are from the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. We got information that the owner of this house is a drug dealer.
He's not a drug dealer.
Sure, we shall see. You, go in there, search everywhere for me. Search everywhere.
Sure, sir. Are you sure you are in the right place?
Sure, sir. We know where we are. Don't worry.
Hey.
You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Sir, you have to come with us to the station.
I'm not a drug dealer. I am just a visitor.
Don't worry, sir. You will explain that to my boss when you get to the station. You, march him out. Take him out of this place. March him out. I say march him out of this place.
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. Cause riches come, riches go. Hey.
Ojigo, my son.
Mama.
You have made so much money.
Mama, God has been faithful. I thank God. And I have saved up too. You see, I'm tired of bringing back my wares every day to the house.
Okay.
I'm thinking about opening a small shop where I can stack my wares and sell, you know, like a normal shop and pick up from there.
Hi, my son. I am so happy for you. That's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey!
I intend going to Onitsha tomorrow morning to buy the things I need. That's what I'm outlining and making budget for.
Okay. He's alright. He's a good one. Hi! Getting your food. Hi! You need to eat, my son.
Yes, sir.
You need food.
Hey!
Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio wa marana. Onye mazisi gechio.
You really saved my life, man. I mean, if not for you, I would be cooling off in the prison. I owe you a lot. I mean, I owe you a lot, man.
Come on, Chris. You know you will do same for me. So there's nothing there.
By the way, let me ask you this. How did you get to find out about the invasion?
Wait, Chris, are you the one asking this question? You know there's nothing that happens in this city that I don't know about. Especially this business of ours. Come on.
Of course. I should have known this. Man, you are the boss, man. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.
So, come to think of it, what's your plan B?
Plan B? I'm actually planning on leaving the country. I mean, I can't keep staying here.
Don't be stupid, Chris. Don't you know they have their agents planted in all the international airports around the country? Look, I think here will be safer for you.
Think so?
Yeah, you just have to pipe low for now. Okay?
Yeah, I know, but whatever you say, I mean, thank you once more.
Look, drink up. Drink up, man.
Is this okay?
How many times will you ask me?
Mommy, I just want to make it better for you.
Mommy.
You're always complaining when I do it.
What is it?
Mommy,
It's okay.
you have a cough.
Fast. Vale? Yes. Oh. Ojigo. Where are you? What? What did you do? Where are you now? Okay.
Mom, what's the problem?
Your father was arrested.
Why?
The cocaine was found in Christopher's house, and he was there when the police came.
What?
Jesus Christ. Amanda, are you aware that your husband peddles cocaine?
No, I wasn't aware.
How can you live with a man and you don't know what he does for a living?
Chris does not like it when I meddle in his business.
What do we do now?
My daddy.
We have to do something. What do we do?
I cannot go with you.
There, why now? My husband is your older brother, and you cannot allow him to stay at that police station for a crime he did not commit.
That matter is a complicated one.
Hey.
Drug case is a serious one, and everyone connected to Chris will be perceived as accomplice. Besides, I warned Ojigo severally, but he wouldn't listen. Now see where his dogness has landed him.
Uncle, please. You have to help us. We know how he behaves, but he's still our father and your brother.
No way. Not in a case connected with a man he collected 2 million naira from as bride price for his daughter.
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. 'Cause riches come, riches go. Hey.
Bye.
Please, can you take me to the park? How much?
I'm gonna 150.
Eh?
150, sir.
No, now. 150 is too much now. The park is just down the road.
I'm gonna 150. 12 don't they cost, I bet.
Okay, how much is your last price, please?
Let's do 100 naira.
No, 100 naira is too much. Let me give you 70.
I'm gonna 100 if you want to enter now.
70 naira now?
100. If you know, I won't come out here.
Oh, okay. You have to help me. My father is in trouble.
Your father? Yes. What happened to him?
He was arrested by men of NDLEA.
National Drug Law Enforcement Agency.
Yes.
What did he do?
I don't know. I don't know.
Where is he now? Where did they take him to?
They took him to Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt?
Okay, I'm going to increase on that. Just go. I beg you, shut up. No,
move this bike!
I want for me. The man dropping at you. Come on, your leg,
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio, wa marana. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o. Ọ bụkwana onye ma mgbe ọ ga-eme. Onye makwana onye ma mgbe ọ ga-abụ. Uche Chukwu onye ma mgbe ọ ga-eme. Onye makwana.
Amanda, Mommy, you really need to calm down.
What if something has happened to him?
Nothing has happened to me.
So, why is his number switched off?
Amanda, it is only natural for his phone to be switched off, since the drug agents are after him.
Me? Why me? Why my marriage?
It's okay. Come. Everything is fine. It is fine.
Life is not all about how you see. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow.
Please, my son, get me out of this place, and I'll pay you back every dime you spent to get me out.
Sir, you don't have to beg me to do this. If I did not intend to help you, I wouldn't be here. I'm promising you I will do everything possible, everything within my powers to make sure you leave here as soon as possible.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome, sir.
300,000 naira. That is too much now.
So you would prefer he spent the rest of his life in prison?
No, that's not what I'm saying, sir. Listen, he's not a drug peddler. He's just a victim of circumstance.
That is life for you, my dear. He was at the right place at the wrong time.
Okay, well, see, that amount is too much. We cannot afford it.
So how much can you afford?
Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio wa marana. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o.
Daddy, I'm so sorry.
Don't mention that. Again. Iked. Yes, it's time for you to go, eh?
Hey.
I am so grateful for your efforts. Thank you. I'll pay you back in due time.
Ha! Ojigo, no now. That is not the right way to treat somebody who just brought you out of hell.
How do you expect me to treat him? Eh? Onyenkuzi? Teacher?
Take him inside. Offer him drink or even food. Okay, Semenu.
All right. Are you thirsty? Jesus. Or are you hungry?
No, sir.
You have heard him. He's not thirsty. He's not hungry.
I should be on my way now. Thank you.
Leave them alone now.
He's at the house.
Simpi dinarumpio wa marana. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o.
Is there food in the house? Food. F-O-O-D. Food.
D-O-O-F. Food.
What will be, will be.
What will be, will be.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be.
Chimamanda. Why are you not eating?
Mommy, how can I eat when my home is shattered?
Try and eat. Okay. Ojigo. 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 Ojigo.
What is it?
We need to talk. Is it true that you collected the sum of 2 million naira as Chimamanda's bride price?
What?
What is what there? Eh? Is it that you did not hear what I said or that you're pretending?
Who said so?
It does not matter who said it. Just answer the question.
Well, it is nobody's business how much I collected from my daughter's bride price.
Ah, it is my business, so what? No. Don't even try sleeping back. It is my business. Because I was the one who carried her in my womb for 9 months. I bore the labor pain alone. So it is my business. Hi! Ojigo, what kind of a man are you? So after collecting such huge sum of money, you still went back to him, begging him for more money to help your business. See what your greed has done to your daughter. You forced her into marrying a drug bearer. Now where is she? Eh?
Have you finished?
Have you finished? You cannot sleep. I'm not done yet. Ojigo, this is your mess. So you must fix it.
Aga m ekwelu na nwunye m bụ asa jeghọrọ ụbalụsi. Aga m ejizi na nwunye m bụ asa jemebezie mpụ ije ụwa. Mmadụ asịkwara na m si jememeka ya ofu. Mmadụ ejikwana maka m kwuru jemeka ya ofu.
Iked, your shop is looking empty. What is it?
Yes, so my brother. Business has been bad lately.
I don't understand. Are you telling me you've sold everything in this shop or you consumed them? Huh? Because you that I know is not a man that can do such a thing. Okay, let me assume you sold them. That means the money is somewhere else. Then why have you refused to stock your shop?
You caught me there, Chukwuka. I never wanted to tell anybody about this.
What is it?
I used all my life savings to bail Ojigo out from NDLEA custody. He promised to pay back in a week's time. Up till now, I've not heard from him.
Are you alright? Iked, are you alright? How can you... Oh my God. How can you do such a thing to a man who wants you to... In fact, a man who wants you dead in the police custody?
It was only a loan.
I don't care! I don't care! Ojigo is not a man that deserves such a thing from anybody. Okay, have you made any attempt to collect the money from him?
No.
Are you alright? Are you alright? In fact, now, as I'm talking to you now, you're going to his house to collect your money from him. Now!
No, it has not gotten to this now, Chukwuka. He promised to pay back. He said it with his own mouth. It's just that he hasn't kept his words. That's the worry.
Okay. Jesus. I can't believe it. A man who wants to dead. Who are you? And what are you doing with my daughter? Speak now before I descend on you.
He's my friend.
Huh?
He's from the United States of America.
He's come from America. You mean Donald Trump's America?
Yes.
Ah. Is he the owner of this car?
Yes, so, and he has money.
Ah.
Oh, I'm very sorry, my son.
But, Johnny, why are you so callous to keep such an illustrious son outside?
Daddy, you know you now, eh? I didn't know how you react. That's why I didn't let him inside.
But you know I can't joke with such a visitor, huh? Now open the gate, open the gate, open the gate. Don't mind her, don't mind her. Come inside and let's have a drink. Yes. Open the gate. Yes.
Makoda, otherwise you. Ogada Kwago. Makoda, otherwise you. Ose mebe. Makoda, otherwise you.
Open the gate.
Ogada Kwago. Makoda, otherwise you. Nekwa ose mebe. Ojigo one is you one. Ojigo one upon one. Ojigo one is you one. Nekwa Ojigo international. Ojigo one upon one. Ojigo intellectual. Ojigo one upon one. Ojigo one upon one. Ojigo one upon one. Hey jibi jibi, hey jibi jibi. Ojigo one upon one. Yoko, hi yaba yaba, hi yaba yaba. Yoko, yoko. Nekwa Ojigo. Hey jibi 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 jibi. Hey jibi jibi, hey jibi jibi.
So, who's your father?
You know, I'm a son of Lazarus, you know. Used to be a principal way back.
Oh, wait. Are you the son of Lazarus Omenka?
You got it right there. That's him.
Well, he may be your father, but I knew him before you. Because we were childhood friends.
That's your son. There you go.
You know, he was very crafty. I hope you're not as crafty as he was.
No, people say I look more like my mom, you know, craft-wise.
You're welcome, my son. You're welcome, my son.
You know, my dad has been on my fucking neck, you know, to come home and get married, you know, feel me?
It's you.
You know, that's why I'm here.
Hey, he's a wise man, a true tribesman. In fact, God has directed your steps into this house. You are in the right place.
Thank you, old man, you know. Hey, yo.
Oh, don't mention. Come, drink. Cheers.
What, is
Cheers.
this American wine or something?
No, well, it's a good wine. It's good wine. Very expensive.
Yeah, that's great.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
And you like it? Good. Yeah. Hi. Welcome, my son.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Ojigo get it connect. Betrayal. Obodo no kone me. Ojigo get it connect. Con adoption. Chai. Obodo no kone me. So therefore,
What are you doing here, kid? Have you come to disturb my daughter again?
No, sir. I have come to see you, sir.
See me?
Yes, sir.
What for?
Sir, it's been over 2 weeks since I bailed you out with my 120,000 naira. And you made a promise you were going to pay back at exactly 1 week. Since then, I have not heard a word from you.
You want me to pay you back? You want me to pay you back? I would have paid you back the money. But on a second thought, why should I pay you back?
Huh?
Why should I pay you back? What about my food and my water? My daughter has been feeding you and giving you to drink since. What about my daughter? You have been enjoying once in a while. Have you paid for all those? Huh? Have you paid? Well, young man, we have both served each other's needs. So, let's call it even.
Ojigo, that wasn't what you told me. Oh. You said if I gave you the money, you were going to pay back in 1 week, and I gave you that money because that was all I had. Ojigo, see. What kind of thing is this? What kind of temptation is this? That's my life savings I used in bailing you. You cannot come now and be telling me another story. Eh? Hey! If I can work out, is this how this man is? Eh? Where do I start from? Who do I go to? Ojigo? What is this? Because what is this? How do I begin to raise that money again? What is this?
What is the matter with Ojigo? Huh? How could he say a thing like that to you? After fighting you because of Mirabel, now he's not telling you, I'm not going to pay you because you're having an affair with him.
I don't know. I don't understand what his problem is. So, see, my shop is almost empty. I need money to buy wares. I don't know what to do about it. Very soon now, I'll begin to lose customers and goodwill.
Is Mirabel aware of this?
No.
Why? Not about it.
No, I don't want her to go and have problems with her father.
What does Mirabel need to know?
Nothing.
Have you two suddenly gone down?
Your father. Yes? Don't touch me. Your father don't want to pay Ike the back his money. The money he used to bail him from NDLA custody.
No, wait, Ike. Is this true?
It's not true. Your father did not say that. It's Chukwuka that is... Wait, Mirabel! What are you doing?
I am doing everything.
Have you seen what I was trying to avoid?
And it's not
now you're going to create the problem that I was trying to avoid now.
Let her go. Here, honey. Every day, Ojigo this.
Don't get me into more trouble than I'm in already.
That man must pay you back that money. Whether he likes it or yes.
Is it not my money? Is it yours?
Yes! Oyegom! One name came, you are my cousin. Oyegom, your money is my own money.
You cannot mind your business, so.
Your business is my own business.
Ojigo jikwa the cashier. Ojigo jikwa no the money.
Thank you.
Dad, how could you? How could you? What has Ikedi done to deserve all these things you're doing to him? Why are you paying his good deeds to you with evil? Why, Dad?
Mirabel, what's the problem?
Mom, would you believe that Ikedi spent all his savings to bail Dad? And now Dad has refused to pay him back his money.
Ojigo, why now?
Mom, you needed to be there. You needed to be there to see how Dad begged this boy to do everything he could to bail him out and that he was going to give him back his money. Now Dad has refused to give him even a dime, nothing.
Ojigo, why now? Eh? What kind of a man are you? What is it with you and money?
I don't owe him a dime.
Yes, you do. Dad, you owe him money, you know.
No, I don't owe him. In fact, he should be paying me money for all my food you have been taking to him. And he should be paying me for touching you. Because I know he has been touching you.
Dad,
Obasi?
even if he has been touching me, it's my body, not yours.
But I gave birth to you. I own you.
Mom, please talk to Dad. Tell him to give him back his money. The boy has nothing left in his shop again. He can barely feed. Please don't do that to give him back his money. Dad, please give him back his money.
Mama. Good afternoon.
Hey, Mirabel, my daughter.
Mama.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, Ma. How is your health?
As you can see, my daughter, I am strong.
Mama, is Ikedi not in the house? I was wondering why he didn't open his shop today.
No. Ikedi went to work in Onowo's farm.
Why?
My daughter, Ikedi was attacked by armed robbers last week on his way to Onitsha. He lost all his life savings. He actually went to work so that he can make some money to buy goods for his shop.
Mama, you mean Ikedi lost all his money to armed robbers?
Yes, my daughter. He didn't tell you.
No, he didn't tell me. Where is the farm? I need to see him.
Somewhere down there.
Mama would have helped you with this, but I need to see Ikedi now. You take good care of yourself, okay?
I will.
Okay.
Take it easy, eh?
I will.
Hold on. Hey!
Oh my God! Look at him. He has dropped me and picked Julie as his next victim. I wish she understands what she's going into.
I have a very bad feeling about that boy. But only time will tell.
How many to yo. I'm gonna
catch you up later.
I'm on. Yo. Okay.
I'm gonna catch you up later.
Oh, yo. Okay, to yo. Hey. Oh, yo. Oyo. Umoyo na bonu. Eh. Mudema.
Life in a jet, if we do, it could be less we know they do.
What are you doing here? You've relegated yourself to doing menial jobs.
What would you have me do?
Why did you have to lie to Mama that you lynched at Onitsha?
I thought it was better that way.
But my love, she deserves to know the truth.
That will increase her contempt for your father, don't you think so?
Then why are you doing this dirty job?
I need the money. I need to travel out of town tomorrow. I need to go submit my CV with Shell.
Can I help out?
How?
Let's go.
No, Mirabel, I need this money, please.
Ikedi, I said let's go. Just come with me.
Mirabel, listen to me.
I said come with me.
I need this money.
I said come with me. Let's leave. Let me have this.
Life on a jeje, if we dey do, it could be like say we know they do.
Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio, wa marana. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o.
How many times have I told you not to come to look for my daughter? How many times have...
What is it? What is it? What is it now? What has the poor man done to you? Okay.
That idiot has come for my daughter. Huh? Why should you come to look for my daughter? Huh?
No. He works with the power distribution company. He came to drop the bill.
I thought he was one of these village miscreants.
No, he's not.
Ah.
What is wrong with you now?
He looks like one of them.
He's not. What is wrong with you? Jidegini, you're the one to pay the bills now. It's yours.
Sorry, oh. No.
I see if he heard you. You're just overprotective. You're too protective. What is this?
Life on a jeje, if we dey do, it could be like say we know they do.
Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio, wa marana. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o.
Ọkụkwa n'onye.
Onye ma mbọ ga-eme.
Onye
ma mbọ ga-abụ.
Onye
ma mbọ ga-eme. Onye ma mbọ ga-abụ.
Hey! 160,000 naira. Where am I supposed to get that kind of money from?
I know I have offended the kid, but if you can help me to beg him, beg him to come and bill me one more time.
Huh? Help you begging?
To come and bill me one more time.
Ojigo, Imoma. Eh? There's no way you can beg him for such a thing now.
Why is Jolie not here? Huh? Okay, Mirabel. Help me tell Jolie to call Charles. Charles can come and bill me.
Okay, you have this money. Why don't you tell me where the money is so that we can bring it and bail you out of here? Unless you want to stay here.
All right. I have some money at home. In my room.
Okay.
I have the money in the room. It's in the room, under the bed. And there's a small box. Hey, the key. It's locked, but anyway, just break the key. Break the key and open the box. Then count 160,000 naira. Only 160,000 naira. Cover it and keep the rest back. And then bring it.
Chalupa, let me be sure I got the instruction right.
Yes.
In the room?
Yes. In my bedroom.
Oh, your bedroom. There's a box under the bed. I should bring it out.
Yes.
Break it. Break the padlock. And count 160,000 naira only.
Only, yes.
Then I lock the box and put it back.
Yes.
Okay, that's what I'll do. I will. Let me go and bring this one. I don't know if you want to stay with him for me to go and come back. Isom? No, let me go. I'm coming back with the money. Okay.
Sir, sit down. Come and sit down here.
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. Cause riches come, riches go. Hey. Money day, money goes.
So, you say you need 200,000 naira.
You know, I got some family stuff to take care of. You feel me? I'm gonna give you about $2,000 from me. You know, so you can give me the 200,000.
$2,000.
Yeah.
That is about 600,000 naira.
No. It's over 600.
Hey.
There you go.
Over 600,000 naira.
There you go.
$2,000. Yes, I can get it for you. I'll get it for you. Hey, 6,000, 600,000, 600,000.
Baby.
Wow.
How you look?
Looking good.
Awesome, right?
Yeah. You know? I'm gonna hit her up.
You like my dress?
Sure.
You like it, huh? Sorry for giving you waiting.
No, we're gonna wait for your old man, you know?
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah, you need some naira from me?
Really?
Yeah.
I love this shirt. It's so nice.
Wow, you're looking like a tiger lady?
Stop it.
Stella, I am on my way to Bureau de Change. Today is a very big day. My expensive son-in-law gave me some dollars, and I'm going to change it into naira. I'm going there now. When I'm coming back with plenty of money, so you go to the poultry, select the biggest and healthiest chicken, kill it, go into the kitchen and make us good pepper soup. Chicken pepper soup.
I will. It will be ready by the time you return.
My wife. All right, let me go to Bureau de Change.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right.
Man, you're a good actor. You acted out everything perfectly.
Hey!
You're good. Wow! Wow!
What? You know, what can I say, you know? They say Mugu fall guy man rise, you know?
I beg. Now we do it now. You understand now? You know they do all this for us. We be your guys now.
I don't begin to feel say a stranger with them. I don't forget it.
Which one you dey talk like say now? Ojigo and the family you dey talk to. You with us where now? Anyway, see man. You know that the reason, I just dey imagine the expression when go dey the man face. When you know say they just come up. Hey, see money.
That man a greedy man. He good making the fall for that scam every day.
Confirm.
So,
Yeah, now what if it can be that?
Yeah, I believe you, bro.
So, how far now I want to go?
See, I need to go return my brother car before he come back from UK.
Now here now I want to talk something. I dey imagine how we go take share the 200,000 among three of us, because I believe say now we contract, you understand? So small hierarchy suppose dey add the line.
My guy, that one too simple. See, I will go take the lion share.
Na so now?
You go take the smaller one.
Why?
Na so now?
Why?
Which one be why?
Which one be why again? Are you blow the girl?
Now you blow am now.
Wait,
That's supposed to be.
if it easy like that, why you no go play the thing?
I never reach like that. I never reach like that, sir.
Hold on, you guys. You see? For your information, I got just 170K with me right here.
I don't tell you now. Come back in. Don't be Ojigo and the daughter you dey talk to. You be our guy now. Reason with us when I'm money matter.
You know, say the thing don't they enter my blood. So
I go enter your blood. Now your guys
see. 170K na in my hand. I don't give the girl 30K. Yes. I do and yes, because I don't trust that man. That man fit go do juju. So why I give that the Julia, waiting na they call am 30K now because so that even go do that juju now, the thing no go just affect us.
I believe you.
Yes, my guy. So you understand the matter? So everything don't set now.
I go be now. Move go share this money now. Try money.
Money dey inside motor.
Move they go now.
Move share the thing.
Move they go.
What will be will be. And then waiting on one your command. What will be will be. And then you won't be to quit. What will be will be. Gospel is the ultimate. What will be ultimate. Gospel is the ultimate.
Aga m ekweru na nwunye m bụ asa jengolu balusi aga m ejizi na nwunye m bụ asa.
You dey change money? You dey change dollar? How much be dollar?
Naira now 450.
450?
Yes.
Let's take 460 now.
No, 450.
450? Yes. All right. This now $2,000.
This dollar na fake.
Huh?
Na fake.
How you take the fake?
This one na fake. No be correct dollar. Na fake. See, look at one. Na fake.
But
na fake
dollar.
No better dollar. Na fake.
All of them.
Na fake.
This is the proper dollar.
No. This one na fake.
Give me back.
No. Look at one, sir.
This is the proper dollar.
No.
All right. You dey change money? You dey change dollar? How much be dollar? 480. This one good. 2,000. But how do you going to take break? All of it break. Lazarus, come out here. Come out here, Lazarus. Lazarus, come out here. Come out here. Yes. Come out here.
Ojigo, what's the problem? Why are you shouting my name?
I would have done worse if not for the respect I have for you as my classmate. Where is that your useless son called Charles?
I'm sorry. I don't have any son that goes by the name Charles.
Don't play jokes with me. I know you have a son called Charles who lives abroad.
Yes, I have a son that lives abroad, but he does not go with the name Charles. His name is Shukudi, and he has not been back home for more than a year now.
Are you serious?
Yes, of course I am.
You mean your son is not around?
Not at all. For more than a year now, Shukudi has not come back.
So, I have been duped.
What is wrong with Ojigo?
Well, he said a young man that goes by the name Charles has duped him. Excuse me.
How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. 'Cause riches come, riches go. Hey. Money day, money goes. Sing with Narumpio, Wamarana. Onye mazisi gechi ezechio. Onye mazisi gechi ezechio. Opukwano onye. Onye mambo geme. Onye makwano.
Why is this faded like that?
Where's Jolie? Huh? Where's Jolie? Where's Jolie?
She went out.
Where is she?
She's not around. The chicken pepper soup is ready.
I say, where is Jolie? You are saying chicken pepper soup. Where is Jolie?
She went out.
Where is?
What is it?
Where is this girl? Where is this girl?
What is the problem?
This girl? Where is Jolie?
Daddy, calm down.
Come for waiting. Huh? Where is Jolie?
Oh, here she comes.
Mommy. Come there. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? And where is that stupid boyfriend of yours?
Stupid boyfriend?
Yes.
I don't have a stupid boyfriend though.
I'm sure you're the one that approved of Charles to be my boyfriend.
Yes, it's that thing that I'm talking about. Where is he now? Where is he now?
I don't understand you. What has he done?
He took my 200,000 naira and gave me fake dollars.
Hey!
Give me 30,000 naira to go for shopping.
My money! My ego! Well, this is my money.
Money day, money goes. Sing with Narumpio, Wamarana. Onye mazisi gechi ezechio. Onye mazisi gechi ezechio. Opukwano onye. Onye mambo geme. Onye makwano. Onye mambo gabu. Uchechukwo. Onye mambo geme. Onye makwano. Onye mambo gabu. What will be will be. Enene wite no wanyoku n'elu. What will be will be. Enene wokwe chukwu ebulie ye. What will be will be.
My love, you cannot continue like this. You have to brighten up as all hope is not lost. You will find a better job.
When? I am tired of moving from one office to another in search of jobs that are not forthcoming.
My love, you don't have to lose hope. There are better days ahead. When one door closes, another opens by God.
No door has ever been opened to me, not one.
I disagree with you, my love. You have enjoyed good health and other marvelous things from God. You have to be grateful to Him and still count on Him to open another great door of opportunity for you. Stop complaining and start thanking Him.
Thank you, my love.
I believe in you, and I know your time is coming soon.
Thank you.
How can I allow a small boy to deceive me and swindle me of my hard-earned money? How? I should be wiser, not foolish. No, this cannot happen again. It must not happen again. In fact, any man who comes here to seek the hand of any of my daughters in marriage must be thoroughly investigated. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o.
Sorry, okay? You'll be fine. I'll get up and take your dress. Mirabel, I think you need to see a doctor to know what the problem is.
Sister Amanda is right. Mirabel, this self-medication will not help at all. You need to run a proper test.
I'll do it tomorrow. No, you're doing it today. In fact, now.
Yeah, Auntie, I'm coming with you guys.
Just get up, let's go. Please have a change. Sorry.
My love, you don't look bright. Is everything okay? What's that? Hey! You're pregnant. Hey! Hey! Oh my God, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead, I'm finished. How did it happen? Your father will kill me when he finds out too. Is he aware of this?
No, you are the first to know.
My love, this is not good news. What do we do? What do we do?
I don't know. You tell me, I'm confused also.
Hey! Hey! Oh God! We have to do away with this until we are ready. You know who your father is. If he finds out about this, I'm dead.
You were going to say this.
Not this, Mirabel. I'm saying this. Mirabel, wait, Mirabel, see. You don't, Mirabel, you can see. Hey! I'm finished. I'm finished. Who sent me? Who sent me? Oh. Hey! Hey!
How dare you? How dare you get pregnant in my house? After all the trainings I gave you, after all my efforts, you. How dare you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes, you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. What can you sorry to? Tell me, what can you sorry to? What can you sorry to? Can you tell me?
I'm sorry.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is that? Look, you. I will send you straight to the mortuary myself. A holy day, Ojigo 1. You are dragging the name into the mud. Where is she?
Pico, forgive us. Forgive us, please. Please. Forgive us. Forgive us. Please. Please.
I will send you to the mortuary now.
Hey, Daddy, please.
Huh?
We are sorry.
Into my house.
We are sorry. Please. Hey, please.
Do you want to receive the first bullet?
Husband, please. Forgive us.
Calm down. I said calm down. How can you ask me to calm down when you know the man whose daughter I got pregnant? Calm down. Don't you know who Ojigo is? Nothing on earth will make that man allow me become his son-in-law. Even if he does, when do I get the money for the bride price? How do I do the traditional wedding?
That's why
How?
I say you should calm down. He's owing you 120,000. You started paying for the bride price already. What you should be talking about now is how can we be able to complete the money? I'm telling you. So calm down.
Are you kidding me?
He's not kidding you. I'm telling you. Okay, he's not owing you.
Stop there! Come back! Come back, you gold digger! Come back! Come back here! I'll send you to hell, where your mates belong. Yes!
What have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into?
Calm down. Okay, calm down.
You cannot continue to tell me to calm down after what just happened. It's obvious this man is bent on killing me. He's intent on killing me. And I know he will not stop until he succeeds.
He won't kill you. He won't kill you. He's just paranoid and frustrated. But soon, he will get used to that his daughter is pregnant with a child for you. So, just calm down. And you won't have any other option than to slice into it.
You think so?
I know so. See, okay, let's go to my house. We'll just get to my house now and cool off. Yeah? Stop being here, please.
You mother of a stupid boy.
Yes.
I have warned you and your deranged son to stay away from my family, but you won't hear.
He will stay.
Tell your son to continue running because I will not stop until he rents a permanent abode in the cemetery.
He will run. He will continue running. He will never stop.
Whatever body you see now, I see no Ojigo abe ebugo nwanya ajadu. Nonsense.
Mama, where are you? He got it, this boy, you are finished. He got it. Ah!
this boy going to do? What am I doing to this boy? This boy want to give me this ass. I'm finished. No. Hey! He got it! He got it! Igeri, I know you are in there. Come out. Igeri! Igeri, come out. Igeri, open the door. I know you are in there. Come out. Come out. Igeri. What is wrong? What is happening, Ikedi? What have you done? What did you... Mama. Why are you hiding? What did you do to Ojigo? What did you do to him?
Nothing, Mama.
Nothing? And he goes all over the village looking for you with a gun in his hand. Yeah? He almost killed me today. And you stand here to tell me nothing? What is it? Come on, speak to me! What is it? What have you done to him?
Mirabel came to the house today to tell me she's pregnant. Mama, it was a mistake. It was a mistake. I don't know what... I asked to cook. I tell her it was a mistake. I don't know what happened.
Hey!
Mama, see, it was a mistake to cook. I don't know.
Oh, God, I'm finished.
Mama, people will gather here. People will gather here.
Everything I've labored for going down the drain before my very eyes. Who is on my case? When am I to reap the fruit of my labor? Mirabel pregnant in my house, not even to a son of a rich man, but to a son of a nobody, a riffraff. It can never stand. I must do something about it.
Come on. You must terminate the pregnancy. You must terminate the pregnancy. Come.
Give me.
Go to the hospital to terminate this pregnancy.
Terminate it?
Yes.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm not out of my mind.
No child of mine will ever commit abortion.
Why?
Are you out of your senses?
Chima,
leave her. Just
Daddy, leave her alone now.
She must.
Daddy, leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Leave her.
Leave her.
Leave her alone. What? Mirabel.
See, you have allowed her to run away, eh? You have allowed her to run away.
Auntie, your sister, is that what she said for me to follow in this house, ma?
Will you shut up? Who is this one?
Come on, Namoni Muna. Wonderful.
Ojigo, leave these children alone.
I will not leave them.
You will develop high BP.
You did Diego one. What
kind of a father are you?
I'm a good father. The best. Yes. You did Diego one. The best father. Go and ask.
Best father, and you're supporting abortion. Just leave her alone. Leave her.
ultimate. What will be ultimate? God's plan is the ultimate.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my daughter.
My love, what's the matter?
He wants me to abort our child.
Who?
My father.
You see what I have been telling you. He's right. We do not need this baby at this time. Let's get rid of it before he destroys us.
Oh, you should have thought about that before sleeping with me. Kid, I thought you said you love me.
I do.
No, you don't. You want me to abort our child just because my father is against it? Kid, after all we shared.
You will do no such thing. Yes. Don't mind Ikele. You are keeping the baby.
Mama.
Papa.
I can't even go back home. Else he'll force me to the hospital.
Then stay here. I will take care of you and the baby.
Mama, do you want Ojigo to destroy us? You want Ojigo to destroy us, Mama?
Let's go in, my daughter. Don't mind him.
What are you doing?
What I am doing is keeping my ground shut. That is what I am doing. Let's go, please.
Mama, you cannot do what you are doing, no. You don't have the power to do it, oh. Mama, you cannot stand Ojigo. Ojigo has power. He will burn this house, oh. He will burn this house and we cannot stand him. Mama. You cannot go and bring trouble and put on top of our head. Mirabel, don't listen to... Mama.
Ikedi, you have to be a man. God will not give you a load your head to carry.
Chukwuka, you do not seem to have been listening to everything I have been telling you here. I said she has run out of her father's house and is now living with me. You know the short and long-term implication of that, don't you?
I do know. I do understand you perfectly well. What I'm seeing in this situation is you becoming a man. A stronger man. And that is who you must be.
What about Ojigo? You and I know who he is.
Ojigo is not more a man than you. He's not more a man than you are.
You can afford to say this because you're not the one wearing the shoes. Ojigo has money. He has influence. He has contacts. He knows people in high places. I do not know anybody. I don't have anybody. I don't have anything.
Ikedi, you have me. You have me. And you have other conscientious men and women of this village. You have them. Then why are you afraid?
Hey, God. How did I get into? What kind of temptation is this? This is temptation, no?
I know this is temptation. That's why I'm saying let us face it man to man.
This is not a man-to-man talk. This is temptation. Ojigo's temptation. You know it too.
Ojigo Bishone. Owishone. How much trouble? Even why?
When he says now, you will not be there to say what you are now saying.
Are you not a man? In this situation, be a man.
Oh, wow. This is temptation, no?
Ojigo, what kind of a father are you? It's been over 1 week your daughter, your pregnant daughter left this house. I don't even bother to know her whereabouts.
I know where she is. I know. She is with that idiot.
That is all you know. You don't even want to know if she eats or not.
She has made her choice, and I stand by her.
I'm bringing my daughter back to this house.
You will do no such thing. She's not coming back. Or you will leave this house.
Ojigo, this is her father's house and my husband's house. So my daughter is coming back.
She is not coming back. Don't try me, Stella. Don't try me. Or you will not like the outcome. Who's that?
Hello, Chief Ojigo. Do you remember me?
No, you forgive me. It's old age.
It's quite obvious you don't recognize me. My name is Richard Ibe. I came here with my father and my uncle 2 years ago to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
Oh yes, I remember now. Yes, I remember. You're looking.
Oh, come on, you can see for yourself.
And how all these cars?
The cars? Well, you see that day you drove me into my destiny. You taught me on that day that to be poor is optional.
Yes.
So I chose to be rich. And I am now rich!
Very good. You are a very wise son.
And I said to myself, when I've made money, I said no. I must go back to this man who showed me the path to greatness. Here, this is just a little biscuit. This is the key to this car.
This car?
Ah, come on, it's just a biscuit.
Go ahead. Go ahead. For me? Well, that's my illustrious son.
Oh, come on. Come on, just feel free to check out the car.
Hey! Hey!
You deserve it.
Hey! Hey!
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. Cause riches come, riches go. Hey.
Chief! Yes. Chief Ojigo. Wow, that is me. The only chief we have in this community. That is me. Call it again. Chief, you see, you are a man of class. Yes. You are a mentor too. Connection.
You are a mentor too.
You see, that is why I have presented to you this little talk.
Hey.
Just to say, well done, sir.
You have done that.
A token. So, more is coming. Chief, more is coming.
I've made money. I've made money. You got to go.
Kabu token.
Just manage it for me.
Who are me?
You see, Chief, this is one of the reasons I came. I still want to marry Jolie, your daughter.
Huh?
Yes.
Jolie. Yes. Jolie.
Yes, Daddy.
Come on now. Come. Wait. Let her come first.
Oh.
Sit down. Come. Sit down.
My love.
Continue. Go on.
You see, ever since I left the village, I have not stopped thinking about her.
Right.
And when I made money, I said no, that Jolie will still be the woman to enjoy my wealth with me.
You forgot.
Yes, Chief.
Well, you are welcome. Once more. You see, I am not a bad father. In fact, I am a father who wants the best for his children. When you eventually get married and produce children, you would also want the best for them, isn't it?
Exactly. Exactly.
Especially to have a financially capable son-in-law or sons-in-law.
You are so right, Chief. You are so right.
Yes. Be it as it may, I want to tell you, my doors are wide open for you and your people to come and take Jolie away.
Thank you very much, Chief.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Chief.
Yes,
exactly what I want to hear. Thank you very much.
Huh? Jolie, I saw the greatness in you. I always saw it. I saw and perceived you have the trappings from the first time you came here. Thank you very much. Hey! Okay. So, let's celebrate.
Daddy, I was helping Mom in the kitchen.
Okay. But gentlemen,
my love.
Hey!
She is still as beautiful as I.
That's beautiful. Beautiful princess. Cheers.
Thank you. Chief, I have made money. I have made a lot of money.
So, more is coming. Like helicopter is coming.
That's too small for my class of man.
It's small. Then a private jet is coming.
Ojigo, I am not comfortable with Richard coming back for Jolie after you humiliated him and his people. Secondly, this wealth he's flaunting now.
What is wrong with you, Stella? Huh? When will things ever be right for you? There's nothing wrong with Richard coming back for our daughter. Look, this young man is wise and he understands honor. You heard him say that I pushed him to the wealth that he is enjoying now. And he's ever grateful for it. Without me, he wouldn't be where he is now. Don't you understand?
Well, I've spoken my mind. Good night.
Life is not all about how you see. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. 'Cause riches come, riches go. Hey. Money day, money goes. Sing it in a rumpio. Wamarana. Onye mazisi gechi ezechio. Onye mazisi.
Are you mad? Richard, are you mad? Why would you want to go back to that same house? That same Ojigo's house? For that same girl? And you saw what we passed through. Richard!
I am not mad, Papa.
Are you sure?
I am only trying to apply diplomacy. You see, let's be realistic. Ojigo pushed me into wealth. I didn't realize how poor I was until he made it clear to me. Father, money makes the world go round. Ojigo is simply a man who is fighting poverty in his own crude way.
What has Ojigo given you to eat? What has he given you to eat that makes you sound this way? Richard?
He has not given me anything to eat.
Really?
Yes. You see, the disappointment we all got has turned into manifold blessings.
You need your head to be re-examined. As I told you, Fenanya.
Papa.
You can never go back to Ojigo's house again. Never!
Papa, don't worry yourself. Money is speaking now. You got to go. We will go. We will go. We will go to Ojigo's house.
Oh, wake up. Oh my God. Oh, go by the way. Look at you. Look at that.
You're looking very well.
Thank you, Mommy.
President, my sister. You're really taking good care of her. Thank you.
She's also my daughter.
I know.
I wish I could do more.
Everything will be fine. Oh, by the way,
so.
I got some things for...
So.
Really? Please help her. Get them for her.
Oh, thank you very much, Mommy. Thank you so much.
Really?
Really? Oh, thank you very much. That's so thoughtful of you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Bless you too.
Why did you do that? Let's go in. At least I have water in the house.
Oh,
at least I have water to drink.
All right.
Let's go in.
So how's everything?
Everything is fine. We thank God. Just
my brother, this is for you. Yes. Happy days have come into my home and our family. Richard and his people will be coming in 3 days' time to seek your niece's hand in marriage. So as my only brother, I've come to inform you so that you also help to organize and mobilize other family members to be at the ceremony. And you'll be present too. Yes.
It's okay. It is not bad.
Yes. I knew it would be so. I will be running along. Huh? I have other people to see. Yeah. Thank you.
I just hope this particular marriage will last.
Tell that foolish boy that saw me and ran into the bush that I don't have his time. Because my daughter is now getting married to a very rich man. So there's no time for running after rabbits. Tell him that when the time comes, when I have time for him, there'll be no hiding place for him. Tell him that.
This man. What did he say? What else? Normal threat now. You just saw him around inside the bush. I don't have your time. You are a rabbit. He saw you? He saw you. I said my rich in-law is coming to marry my daughter. I said he doesn't have time for you. Very soon when he has time for you, then I don't hide the place.
Somebody's coming to marry me.
What is wrong with you now? Sorry. I thought he was coming back. Sorry. He said somebody's going to marry the daughter. Like a very rich man. They have your time.
My sister, thanks for coming. I am so happy you came.
Thank you so much for taking care of my daughter. But by the way, I have not seen Ikedi since we came. Where has he gone to?
Ikedi has gone out with his cousin, Chukwuka. That's the boys' way, you know.
I know.
They will never put their leg one place. I'm actually here now.
Isn't it? I'll be leaving. Please, add this to whatever you have left.
You have given us enough.
I cannot give you enough for what you're doing for me. Take it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you. I should be the one blessing you. We should be taking the blessings together. Look at them. I would have loved to take her home, but my husband is still very angry with her. I know. I understand. Mirabel.
Mirabel. Mom.
You're my seed, and I cannot abandon you no matter what. Just be a good girl. Hmm?
You don't need to worry yourself, Mom. I'll be very fine here. Mama has been doing a great job. I
trust her. Let's run. All right. God bless you. You don't want to go again. All right.
Today is a great day for all of us. Yes. And the there is not too much talk during an evening mass. So I will go straight to the point. The reason for our coming here is not far-fetched. Our son here, Richard, told us that he found a beautiful fruit in this compound, and he has asked us as his kinsmen to help him climb that big tree to pluck the fruit. And as our custom demands, we have come here to help you pluck that fruit from this compound. Have I spoken well, my kinsmen? Uncle, thank you. You wanted a question?
You're welcome, my son. My son has good eyes. And he has thirst for good fruits. Yeah. My home, this house of mine, is notorious for producing good fruits. I want to ask the young man, will you recognize the fruit?
Yes, Papa. I will, immediately.
All right. Jolie! Jolie!
Yes, Daddy.
Biaba. Julie, man. Asamaruma. Is that the fruit?
Yes, this is the particular fruit I'm looking for.
Julie, man. Do you recognize this young man?
Yes,
He and his people have brought all this wine and the cola nuts to ask for a hand in marriage. Should we accept everything?
Yes, Daddy.
Hey! Zuzuano! Rieno! Tano! Tonimeno! Nichano!
Thank you, my darling. Are you not eating with me?
You were long gone. I ate with Mama.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was long gone. I was actually running around to see how to get us out of this financial mess.
It's alright, my love. And please don't kill yourself. Okay? My mother and sister were here today.
Really?
Yes, and they asked after you.
Ah, I wish I was here to see them.
Well, they brought us some food and cash to get by.
You don't say. Your mother is such a wonderful woman. She has a good heart. If your father had as much as 1% of her virtue, we wouldn't be in this condition.
It's well, my love. Just enjoy your food. Don't let that bother you, okay? And I hope you're enjoying the food.
Very well.
I need it special improvement.
Honey, I have just been invited for an oral interview by Shell Group.
It's a lie. You're not serious.
Shell Group.
Myself!
Wait! I can't believe this.
Look at it, Shell Group.
Thank you, Lord. I'm so happy.
Thank you, Lord.
Are you sure this message is
Of
from...
course, look at it now. Look at it. It's from Shell Group, and that's my full name in details.
Oh, my
look at
goodness,
it. Look at it. Mama! Mama, come on! Mama, oh! Mama, Mia, oh!
Are you sure they said you...
Life is not all about how you see.
Dad, Mom, I and Johnny have fixed the date for our traditional wedding. What date have you fixed?
30th of next month.
Oh, that is perfect. That is perfect. It will give me time to make necessary arrangements. You know, we will be playing host to the creme de la creme of the society. The big business tycoons, people from politics, and captains of the industries. You just name them. You know, your father-in-law is heavily connected.
I trust you. That would be very great. That would be great. I trust you. But before then, I want to take Johnny to the city with me.
To do what? Is that how marriage is done where you come from? You're not even married to her. And you're talking about taking her out.
Stella, mind how you talk to a rich son-in-law. They are not easy to come by. Huh? My dear son, you see, we have to take it step by step. One step after the other. She's going to be with you till death do you part. Huh? You see, I know you are, you cannot wait to, you know. But take it easy, take it easy. The date you fixed, both of you fixed, is just around the corner. Huh?
It's all right.
Yes. What about the pepper soup?
Julie, go and check the pepper soup.
Okay, Mommy.
Well, I have some cartons of wine for you.
You are an illustrious son-in-law.
No.
Whether you agree or not, it is true.
No. Okay, come on. Take good care of yourself and make sure you come back to me.
You know, I'm going to miss you and our son.
No, our daughter.
Our son.
Our daughter.
We're going to argue about this.
Yes.
And I will miss you too.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will. That's not right.
Doesn't matter.
It's okay.
Oh, that's a...
Okay, wait.
Special love, special love.
Ifunanya nka kariri ego. Ifunanya nka kariri ego. This love is blind. This love
Mr. Ikedi Nwokolo.
Sir.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you, sir.
Having carefully considered your application and reviewed your credential, I want to say that I am impressed.
Thank you, sir.
And you are successful.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
And it starts with immediate effect.
Ah!
I know this is a dream come true.
Yes, sir.
Of course, it comes with all the packages. A good car, a good house, and every other thing.
Ah, good. Thank you.
But you owe us a duty here.
Ah! Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
'cause riches come, riches go. Hey. Money day, money goes.
I want to get this right. Are you trying to tell me that you will no longer be selling those your petty thing in that your shop in this village anymore?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Hey! My son!
Mama!
You are trying to say that you have been employed in an oil company.
Yes, Mama.
Father Lord, I thank you.
Thank you.
Father Lord, I thank you. May your name be praised.
Amen.
I give you all the glory because you are worthy to be
Amen.
Hey! Chineke meworo mi eyoro ya o. Ezi Chineke meworo mi eyoro ya. Atuta amara so ya o. Hey! I know he was going to do it.
Yes.
Because I have been serving him wholeheartedly. Father of the fatherless, I thank you. May your name and your name and your name alone be praised forever.
Amen.
My son, I am so happy.
I know,
I am
Mama.
so happy for you, for God has blessed you. Not only you, for God has blessed all of us.
Thank you.
Hey.
And you know, I'm sorry, honestly, I'm sorry for my short-sightedness, for even suggesting that we abort the baby. I didn't see today coming.
My love, it's okay. I bear no grudge against you. I understood the pressure that clouded your sense of judgment. I love you, don't you know?
I love you more, you know.
And I love you, boy.
Mama.
He can love.
See, my children, this calls for celebration. What's that you're speaking?
Onubu.
Onubu.
Ofonubu.
Good. Ofonubu you will have.
Hey!
Straight to the kitchen.
What that mean? Have you tasted Mama's Onubu before? Ha!
Hey! Morocco.
Hey!
Finish.
See if you eat Mama's Onubu. Mama, I have to go in and change.
Help him out. Come on, help him. Go on, help him. Let me go and take the
Jolie, I am so happy for you. So you mean this guy was actually serious with this marriage thing?
He is serious. In fact, the date of the wedding is being set. And I am going to be a married woman.
Look at her giggling. My dear, I'm really happy for you. This is great.
Enough about me, okay? Let's talk about you. How have you been? How are you?
Well, as you can see, I'm fine. Or we are fine. Everybody's doing great.
And the pregnancy.
Kicking?
How about Ikedi?
Well, he left for Port Harcourt this morning.
To do what exactly?
My sister, God has been so merciful. God has been great to me and Ikedi. Well, Ikedi got an appointment with Shell.
Oh my God.
They actually called him to come and sign some papers and then to show him our new apartment.
Oh my God! I'm so happy for you.
I'm happy.
God! My sister is very serious. Jesus Christ, I'm so happy for you.
My sister, we have made it big and we're leaving this village in 2 days.
And I am getting married.
Yes, she is getting married and this is a double celebration.
No, it's triple.
Oh, I
There's
forgot.
the pregnancy.
How can I forget? My dear, my sister is getting married.
Yes, now.
My beautiful Jolie. But wait, did daddy know you're coming here?
You know me, I'm stubborn. I told mommy.
They know you are stubborn.
Yes, now.
Everybody knows you're stubborn.
What is it you wanted to discuss?
In as much as I would want our daughter Jolie to get married, we still need to tread with caution. Remember what happened to Chimamanda? And how a young man walked into our compound, deceived you and made away with your money. I wouldn't want that kind of deception to happen again. I suggest you send emissaries to Richard in the city. Firstly, to know where he stays. And secondly, to know if he's real, if he has been true to us.
Well, your suggestion is very lovely. But I do not want to take the risk of sending somebody to the city to go and milk my son-in-law. I don't trust anybody in this village.
So, what are you implying?
I will undertake the journey myself. If there's someone in the position to find out about Richard as quickly as possible, that person should be me.
It's all right.
Hey, Jibby, Jibby, hey, Jibby, Jibby. Yoko, hi, yama, hi, yama, yoko, yoko. Nebo Ojigo. Hey, Jibby, 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 Jibby. Ojigo, one is one. Ojigo, one is one. Nebo Ojigo International. Ojigo Intellectual. Ojigo. Ojigo. Ojigo jikwa the cashier. Ojigo jikwa no the money. Obolo nke kone, awakwa kone.
Hello, Dad.
How are you in the city over there?
I am fine, sir. And how are you?
I'm fine too, I'm fine. How is the city? And how is business?
We are very well. We are doing well. And business is booming.
My son-in-law, I am calling you to tell you that I want to come to the city to know where you live.
Oh, really? That's great. That would be nice. So when do you intend coming?
Let us say by the weekend.
Okay, so I will make arrangements for your coming.
That is very good. That is very good. Prepare very good goodies. Very good goodies. Makana, ndeba say ogo puchionye.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
you. Thank you.
Ojigo jikwa the cashier. Ojigo jikwa no the money. Obolo nke kone, awakwalo kone. Abiazie na action, awakwalo action. Gentleman.
Hey, it's the Morgan. One American is Ojigo. Dollar.
Ojigo one is one. Ojigo one is one.
They are robbers!
Please forgive me. Forgive me. Remember, you are I'm your father-in-law.
Father-in-law, my foot! You brought me into criminality. I loved your daughter and wanted to marry her, but you checked me out of your house because I didn't have money. And today I have become what I am in order to please you also. Irish!
He's awake.
Doctor! Doctor!
He's alive.
He's alive?
He's alive.
What do we do?
Come on, let's help him.
Help him?
Yes.
He's a risk, oh.
No, let's help him. Let's help him.
You are the man, carry some.
That was how we brought him here. And we so much thank God he made it alive.
Sir, can you remember who shot you and where he shot you and how you got yourself into the bush?
I left the village on invitation of my son-in-law. But we were attacked by armed robbers on the way. Behold, my son-in-law was among them. But for his cover not to be blown, he took me into the bush and shot me.
Sir, can you help us get his address?
He gave me his residential address before I left the village.
Good. Sir, can we have it, sir?
No problem. But first, I want my family to be contacted. They should be worried by now.
Sir, your family will be contacted, but not now. No one should know that you're still alive.
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. Cause riches come, riches go. Hey. Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio, Wamarana. Onye mazisi gechezechio. Onye mazisi gechezechio. Okukwano onye. Onye mamboge. Onye makwano. Onye mamboga. Uchechukwo. Onye mamboge. Onye makwano. Onye mamboga. What will be. Enene wite no wanyoku nebo. What will be. What will be? God's plan is the ultimate. What will be? Ultimate. God's plan is the ultimate.
I want to thank all of you for standing by me in this my period of travail. Especially you, Ikedi. You're a good man. I do not deserve all you have been doing to me, all the good. Yet, you still keep doing good to me. How can I ever repay your kindness? In spite of past contempt, you still paid my huge medical bills. You have taught me a lesson which I will ever cherish and take to my grave. You have proven to be worthy of my daughter, Mirabel. And you have shown great strength, courage, and patience in the face of stiff opposition. I give you credit and ask for your forgiveness.
It's all right, Dad.
I want to take this opportunity to ask for my daughter's and my wife's forgiveness. I have lived a reckless and egocentric life which has negatively affected all of you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I have learned the hard way.
I forgive you, Daddy. I forgive you, my dear husband.
Thank you.
I forgive you from the depth of my heart.
Ikedi and Mirabel, please come and kneel before me. I will give you the blessing of a father. You are blessed.
Amen.
You will find favor beyond your imagination.
Amen.
You will give me and my wife a child, or rather, children, boys and girls.
Amen.
And you will give us grandchildren.
Amen.
And great-grandchildren.
Amen.
You remain blessed. Life is a long lesson in humility. I have lived a selfish and stupid life, which has brought me nothing but regrets. My quest for rich sons in-laws has brought me nothing but this wheelchair. The rejected stone has turned out to be the chief cornerstone. The one that I despised is my savior today. He has bought me a big mansion and 2 closing cars that I don't even have the legs to drive.
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. Cause riches come, riches go. Hey. Money day, money goes. onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o ọbụkwana onye ma mbọ ọ ga-eme onye makwana onye ma mbọ ọ ga-uche chukwu onye ma mbọ ọ ga-eme onye makwana onye ma mbọ ọ ga-abụ what will be enene enwe ite n'ọgbanye ọkụ n'elu ụwa what will be enene enwe ogbenye chukwu ebulie ya elu what will be God's plan is the ultimate what will be God's plan is the ultimate
aga m ekweru na nwunye m bụ asa jee ọrụ balụsi aga m ejizi na nwunye m bụ asa jee mebezienụ mpụ ije ụwa mmadụ asịkwara na m si jee mmeke ya ofu mmadụ ejikwana maka m kwuru jee meka ya ofu onye m uche chukwu onye m uche chukwu onye m ife chi ga onye m echi onye m uche chukwu onye m uche chukwu
onye ma mbọ ọ ga-abụ onye ma mbọ ọ ga-abụ
ije ụwa bụ mbọ anene dịka dị life on a jet if we dey do it go be like say we no dey do.
Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio wa marana. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o. Onye mazi isi ga-echi eze echi o. Onye ma mbọ ọ ga-eme onye ma mbọ ọ ga-abụ onye ma mbọ ọ ga-eme onye ma mbọ ọ ga-abụ what will be what will be what will be